All right, guys. So today we're gonna be testing out the brake fluids. Got my tester here. Is it on? Oh snap! It's already on. No problemo. We're gonna just turn it off real quick. But basically, coming over here, we open the hood, open it up. Here's my head, so I can get this little piece here to go over here. Hands free, baby. All right. So this is the brake fluid. You can see I got this bad boy here. This is actual pen, so you can kind of see this is good and this is not good. And I believe how it works is that moisture gets in here, water gets in here, and eventually it dilutes the .3 or .4. And then once it does that, it doesn't really work as well. So I'm gonna open it up here. Ooh, that's stupid of me. Whatever, come back in a second. Is take off this little top here. Bam. Oh shit. All right, we're good. Oh, what's down there? All right, cool, we're good. All right, so got the top right here. All you really want to do is, there should be the button. It's the button on the top. It's clean. Turn it on. Make sure it's turned on there. And then from here, all you really should have to do is just dip it in. And let's see what it says. Oh man, that is not good. Guys, red flag. Super red flag. Look, that's a red flag. Red flag, caution, 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 caution. Fuck. So that's how you test it.